Hello, today I will introduce you our 916S nurse call system's function. And here is the system configuration. And that's the code display. It is double-sided code display, and it also have music function. Now we take a clear look at every part. Here we have the communication host and the medical care host and the emergency button and the code blue button, corridor light, and the bedside station, and our PC software. First of all, I will introduce you our communication host. This host used to install at the low voltage room, and we can see it have a network port to connect to hospital LAN, and the medical care host, and the wireless communication host port, and dot matrix display screen port, and the coder display, and the substation. This port is used to connect to our main Wi. For our system, we use two-core Wi technology, and this two-core Wi networking technology is like a semi-IP solution, and we have IP cable, network cable to connect to the hospital LAN, but for the main Wi, we use this two-core Kubo Wi, this RVV Wi, and we use this meanwhile to line and corridor, and every room's device connect together. No distinguished parallel or series connect, and they connect to the meanwhile. Only the meanwhile going to the host. So this kind of solution is very easy to wire, and also this can save a lot of wiring time, and the wiring cost is very your perfect choice for some urgent project. And our system not based on network, so even network failed, it only can realize the normal communication functions and core and communication functions. Let's have a look.
Ed01, Ward 01 is calling first class nursing.
This is nurse station.
And
when nurse came into the room, they pressed the nursing button, and then the nurse left, they pressed the button again. And now connect the network. Now I will introduce you the medical care host. This is the bed list to display patient names and informations. And now back to home page. As you can see, we can display the different nursing levels patient on it, and admissions patient. And here is a core storage. And we have a broadcast function. We can upload audio on it and display it in all the world. And the extension function, we have duty room extensions and here. And some basic settings, we have volume setting, brightness setting, access setting, screening setting. We can see if we want to block some cord and some period, we can set in here. And system settings, you can see touch operate is very easy because our screen use resistive display screen, and this screen is easy for nurse to operate with grooves. I enter the password. This password is for nurse to use. They can do some easy settings. And here we have another password for operation and maintenance guys. Now we have our detailed settings and here. We have native settings, factory settings, and here we have the network setup. We use this to connect the system to hospital LAN, and we set IP address and here. And the function switch, that's the part we needed in this system. And this is substation number settings. We can set the bed numbers and the bus station number, door light numbers, and here. And here we have the inspection function. We can inspecting the signals of every part. Now we start inspecting. We can see we inspected the bedside station, and we can see the signal strength of it, and we can also see if some device was offline. And here is it. So here is our bedside station. We can see it have 3 different buttons. We have call cancel button, stop assist button, and nursing button. Press the call button to trigger call. And then we cancel a call. And here is the headset. You can use this to trigger a call.
Bed 01, Ward 01 is calling first class nursing.
Now the call keep into storage.
Bed 01, Ward 01 is calling first
Also,
class
can use
nursing.
this nursing bottle. The nurse can press this button to nurse enter into the room, and then nurse left. This is a corridor display. It has 25 different colors, and you can see the design is very beautiful and nice. Yeah, we have a big press button on it, and it can set to 25 different colors to indicate the different nursing level and the different type of course. And here we go. We have the emergency call button and the code blue button. And this is an emergency call.
Bathroom, Ward 01 is emergency calling.
The emergency call only can be cancelled and this cancel button. And we can trigger call, press this code.
Bathroom, Ward 0.
Cancel the call. And this is code blue. The code blue button has the highest priority, so normal call can't interrupt the code blue call. Like we press this two, at the same time, they will display the code blue call first. Only we figure out this code blue problem, then the emergency call will continue broadcast. Also, this will also happen when we trigger a normal call. And then we trigger a code blue call. Code blue call. It will broadcast code blue call first. Cancel the call. Okay, now it's back to broadcast the normal call. So this system will not miss every call. And also we have the software. Let's go have a look. Here is our software, and here is a bed list. Here is the patient information we can input into the computer. Also, we can get information from his. And we can add a new patient, and here. Also, we can exchange bed for patient. we can discharge patient. And this patient have different colors mark, and because it is different nursing levels. And for our system, we have 4 different nursing levels. And here is the advertising management. So it can display the advertising on the corridor display. There, corridor display. And the education broadcast, we can check, and also the call record function, we can check every call record. And here, and we can see the call start time and the reset time, hung up time, answer time also can see. And here we can output the report and as an Excel file. Yeah, this is a room layout. We can set the room layout, and here we can set it is single bedroom, double bed, or triple bedrooms. And here we have some system settings. We have some detail settings here, like the broadcast setting. We can set if we want to broadcast music or broadcast room number, bed number, and here, and volume settings, and color settings, different color set to different nursing levels. And the information display board. Here is the factory settings. Now we can see the device switch that the device may be matched into this system, and the device number settings, system connect. This is read from Hayes. And the device relation, we can relation the number 1 door light to the room 1, and the bed 1, bed 2 to room 1. Then when we trigger a call of bed 1 and bed 2, they will react to this door light. And mean unit settings, there's some detail settings, and here. And this is the inspecting function. Okay, that's all our system's function. So thanks for listening.